Have you ever felt a deep longing, a whisper within, calling you towards something more? A feeling that there is a deeper purpose waiting to be discovered. This, my friend, is the soul stirring, a gentle nudge from within, urging you to explore the unknown. It's the spark of your unique purpose, waiting to be ignited, a flame that yearns to burn brightly. We are all on a journey, a sacred pilgrimage to uncover the depths of our being, to find the essence of who we truly are. This journey isn't about reaching a destination, but about embracing every step, every experience that shapes us, molds us, and helps us grow. Life is full of wonder and mystery, a tapestry of moments waiting to be explored. It beckons us to explore, to learn, to grow, to seek out the hidden treasures within and around us. This journey inward is the most important one we will ever take, a path to self-discovery and inner peace. It's about connecting with that still, small voice within, the voice of our soul, guiding us towards our truth, our authentic self. Take a moment to breathe deeply, to center yourself in the present moment. Feel the rhythm of your heart, the rise and fall of your chest, the very essence of life flowing through you. Within this sacred space, you'll find the answers you seek, the clarity you desire. This is where your journey begins, in the stillness, in the quiet moments of reflection, where the noise of the world fades away. It's time to listen to your soul's whispers and embrace the beauty of your own unique path, to walk it with courage and grace. We often identify ourselves with our physical bodies, our thoughts, our emotions, and the fleeting moments that define our daily lives. But there's a deeper truth, a timeless essence that resides within each of us, our soul, an eternal presence that transcends the physical realm. Imagine a vast, starlit sky, stretching endlessly beyond our sight. Our physical bodies are like stars, shining brightly for a time, illuminating the darkness with their presence. Yet our souls are like the infinite expanse, the eternal energy that connects us all, weaving through the fabric of the universe. They carry the wisdom of lifetimes, the echoes of experiences that have shaped who we are today, and the lessons learned through countless journeys. This life is but a chapter in the soul's grand story, a single page in an endless book of existence. We are eternal beings, constantly evolving, learning, and growing, just as nature itself transforms and renews. Just as a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly, our souls go through cycles of death and rebirth, each lifetime offering new lessons and opportunities for growth. Knowing this truth, that we are more than our physical forms, liberates us, freeing us from the chains of fear and limitation. It allows us to approach life with a sense of purpose and wonder, knowing that our journey extends far beyond the limitations of this earthly existence into the boundless realms of the soul. Love. It's the most powerful force in the universe, a force that shapes our very existence. It is the very essence of our being, the core of our humanity. We catch glimpses of its transformative power in the laughter of children, in their innocent joy and pure delight. We feel it in the warmth of a loving embrace, a hug that speaks volumes without uttering a single word. We see it in the beauty of a sunset, a moment that takes our breath away and fills us with awe. But love is more than just a fleeting feeling, more than a momentary emotion. It's a profound energy that connects us all, an invisible thread that binds us together. It is a force that transcends time and space, reaching across the cosmos to touch our hearts. Our souls yearn for this connection, for the deep, abiding joy of giving and receiving love in its purest form. We long for the moments of sharing, the simple acts of kindness that bring us closer. We may experience love in different forms throughout our lifetimes, each one unique and special. There is the unconditional love of a parent, a bond that is unbreakable and eternal. There is the passionate spark of romance, a fire that ignites our hearts and souls. And there is the deep bond of friendship, a connection that brings joy and support. Each encounter, each relationship, leaves an imprint on our souls, shaping our capacity to love and be loved. These experiences mold us, teaching us the true meaning of love and connection. As we journey through life, let us approach every interaction with an open heart, ready to give and receive love. Let us see the divine spark in every being we encounter, recognizing the shared humanity that unites us all. And let us allow love to guide our thoughts, words, and actions, creating a world filled with compassion and understanding. Forgiveness. It's a word often spoken, yet its true meaning can elude us. We may think of forgiveness as a gift we give to others, a way to release them from their wrongdoings. But true forgiveness is a deeply personal act, a gift we give ourselves. When we hold on to anger, resentment, or pain, we create blockages within our own hearts. These negative emotions prevent us from experiencing the fullness of love, joy, and peace that reside within. Forgiveness doesn't condone the actions of others. It simply means choosing to let go of the pain, the anger, the hurt that keeps us tethered to the past. It's about releasing the heavy burdens we carry and stepping into the lightness of being. As we learn to forgive ourselves and others, we unlock the soul's true potential. We free ourselves from the shackles of the past and open ourselves to a future filled with possibility and hope. We are all born with unique gifts, talents, and abilities. These are the seeds of our soul's purpose, waiting to be nurtured and shared with the world. Yet we often doubt ourselves, allowing fear and insecurity to dim our inner light. The power to create the life we desire lies within each of us. It's in the quiet whispers of our hearts, guiding us towards our passions and dreams. The key is to listen to that inner voice, to trust our intuition, and to have the courage to take action. Every step we take, no matter how small, moves us closer to aligning with our authentic selves. It's about embracing our imperfections, celebrating our strengths, and never giving up on the dreams that set our souls on fire. The world needs your unique gifts, your voice, your perspective. Embrace the power within you and shine your light brightly. Section 6. Embracing life's lessons. Life is a journey filled with both joy and sorrow, triumphs and setbacks. Each experience, whether perceived as good or bad, holds within it valuable lessons for our soul's growth. Just as a diamond is formed under intense pressure, our souls are refined through the challenges we face. When we encounter obstacles, it's easy to fall into despair or frustration. But what if we viewed these challenges as opportunities for growth, as stepping stones on our spiritual path? Every hardship we overcome, every lesson we learn, strengthens our resilience, deepens our empathy, and expands our capacity for love. It's in these moments of adversity that we discover our true strength and resilience. Embrace the ups and downs of life's journey, for it's through these experiences that we become the best versions of ourselves. Section 7. The Tapestry of Experience. Our lives are like intricate tapestries, woven together with threads of joy, sorrow, love, loss, and every emotion in between. Each experience, each relationship, each challenge contributes to the richness and depth of our being. There are times when we may question the purpose of our struggles, wondering why we face certain hardships or encounter particular individuals. But it's important to remember that every thread, even those that seem dark or tangled, serves a purpose in the grand scheme of our soul's journey. The tapestry of our lives is not meant to be perfect or flawless. It's the imperfections, the rough edges, the contrasting colors that make it uniquely ours. Each thread, no matter how small, contributes to the beauty and complexity of the whole. Embrace the fullness of your story, for it's in the tapestry of your experiences that your soul's purpose is revealed. Section 8. Finding your unique melody. We are all musical instruments, each with our own unique sound and rhythm. Our purpose is to find our unique melody, to share our gifts and talents with the world in a way that brings us joy and fulfillment. This melody isn't something we find outside ourselves. It's already within us, waiting to be discovered and expressed. It's in the things that light us up, that make our hearts sing, that make us feel truly alive. Perhaps your melody is expressed through art, music, writing, or dance. Maybe it's through your compassion, your leadership, your ability to connect with others. The possibilities are as infinite as the stars in the sky. Trust your intuition, follow your passions, and don't be afraid to experiment. The world is waiting to hear your unique melody. Section 9. Living your truth. Living your truth means aligning your thoughts, words, and actions with the deepest desires of your soul. It means having the courage to be authentically you, even when it feels uncomfortable or scary. It's about letting go of the need for external validation and instead seeking approval from within. It's about honoring your values, following your intuition, and making choices that are in alignment with your highest good. Living your truth is a journey, not a destination. It's a process of continuous self-discovery, growth, and evolution. There will be times when you stumble or fall, but the key is to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. When you live in alignment with your soul's purpose, you radiate a light that inspires others to do the same. You become a beacon of hope, a testament to the transformative power of living an authentic life. Please share your experience with your own soul's journey and how understanding our soul and its purpose in this life is our superpower in beginning to tell a new story about our truth. If you enjoyed this video, please share your comments below and give it a like and subscribe to the Seeker's Path channel. Only love and the deepest inner peace and understanding awaits you. Namaste.